How many people can say they come across a snake skin on their walk? Hey, it's Steve. So Peter asked if he could see my life just outside of MS. So every morning I start my day. If I'm not working out, I start by taking a walk with my parents. I love the morning. It's just wonderful. So I think this is the best time. I get the most thinking done. I just enjoy it so much. And I know I will never give it up. And I really cherish it. I love this area on my walk. It's so fantastic. Just so peaceful. The birds chirping. It's just amazing.
If you're filming, let me take the dog. Give me the dog. Because you can't film and do Nico at the same time. Okay.
Well, no, that like frees up my right hand.
Well, this is a glimpse. But I want to take you back in time to 2013. I made this video about Crocker, my service dog, to show his trainers what his life was when I was on vacation. So there's no audio to this film. When I made it, I synced it to the song I've Got It Easy by Michael Bublé, but I don't want to put it up and show you it with the audio because I know YouTube will take it down. So definitely no audio, but I picked a song with the same beats per minute, so it's the same type deal. It's so crazy that I filmed it the same month I started wave loading. At the time, my fatigue was crazy. My walking was crazy. Well, you can see I just being in that scooter, and I couldn't walk, but it was a long time. I stuck with it, and it changed everything. And you say that you're fine with what you have, and that's great. I thought the same thing when I was suffering, but I can tell you, from my perspective, now that I've recovered, your life opens up so much. And there's so much more opportunity, and there's so much life to be led when you don't have to suffer with your symptoms. You asked me how I coped with my multiple sclerosis, but it's not about coping. I mean, this is real. It's about living life now. I have spent years, ever since 2013, and ask anyone who's following me, it's a slow process. everything is incremental. It's not one day you suffer from MS and the next you don't suffer at all. It's incremental. It's slow. Hell, I started in 2013, but now my life has completely changed, and it's apparent. I can now walk. I'm not confined to a wheelchair. And if you want to be happy and you want to live your life, more power to you. I made my choice. I hated. I felt MS was a prison for me, and I didn't want to live like that. I didn't want to spend my entire life suffering from MS. So I made a choice, and I dedicated myself. You have your wife. I had Crocker, and boy, he was my life. This is why I made the film about him, because my world revolved around him. His every need, his every want. I did everything for him. So I understand how you find so much enjoyment being with your wife. But I have to tell you, if I could bring Crocker back, God rest his soul, if I could bring him back, I wouldn't change anything. And my life would be so much better with him. Him being in my life, being able to walk, not having MS, but he was my service dog. Specifically because I had MS and I suffer from MS. So it was a trade-off. I had to suffer to have him, but you don't have to suffer to have your wife. And just, you have to dedicate yourself, but it is so worth it. Think about how much enjoyment you could have with your wife if you didn't suffer from MS.
So, Peter, the choice is yours. What are you going to decide? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.